This week parasha is Parashat Terumah. Parashat Terumah talks about building the Mishkan. The Mishkan is the heart of the Hal Israel, and HaKadosh Baruch Hu says to everybody, make a Mikdash that is dwell betucham, among them. Hal Shich HaKadosh says, among them, among it. Among them is the heart of the Hal Israel. The Mishkan is not the real physical Mishkan, it's the nedivut of the lip, what comes from the heart. Now, this is a very interesting balaturim in this parasha. Now, HaKadosh Baruch Hu wants to tell the Hal Israel, my dear, the Hal Israel, my dear children, give a gift to make the Mishkan. Now, Torah says, balaturim makes the diuk, patach daber Israel, lashon pius. In other words, HaKadosh Baruch Hu, when he wants to tell them, give a gift for Mishkan, Hashem says in the terminology of appeasing. Doesn't say command. Sabbath ben Israel, command them Israel. Sabbath means command. Is it command? HaKadosh Baruch Hu gave them so many wealth from Israel. Everybody got rich. So tell us, everybody got so much wealth. And here we are. Hashem wants them to give a small piece for Mishkan. And Mishkan is something that's kapara for them, for Kahal Israel. HaKadosh Baruch Hu says, Moshe Rabbeinu, don't command them. What you do, say Lashon Pius, appeasing. Just like you talk on the heart of Yerushalayim. How do you talk your heart? You speak of heart to heart, with the appeasing, with convincing, not command and not. No, why? Why? Mishkan is the biggest gift to Kahal Israel. Let's command them that they should bring gifts. Balatorim says, unbelievable. Every Jew would love to hear that. Since over here, you have to lose some money, you're going to be giving gifts. It's hard. It's hard. At the end of the day, it's very hard for a Jew depart himself from his money. It's unbelievable. 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 HaKadosh Baruch Hu gave them all of the jewels, all of the wealth, everything. It means from Hashem. Therefore, natural response of each person should have been, if HaKadosh Baruch Hu commands them to bring it, they would welcome that command. But HaKadosh Baruch Hu is so sensitive. So sensitive. He senses. He understands. He relates. He understands that's hard for my children. It is something is called Yetzer Hara. Yetzer Hara makes the person feel, I made it. It's mine. It wasn't HaKadosh Baruch Hu that gave from Israel. No, you forgot that. Once you possess it, it's part of me. How should I give it away? It's very hard and unbelievable for me. Hashem relates. Hashem senses. Hashem tells Moshe Rabbeinu, lest you command them to give a gift. No! Don't command. Just like you talk with the heart of Yerushalayim, the talk of appeasing, the talk of encouraging, rewarding. Here also, the same way, the same tune. Don't command them. Midrash says, from here you see that to take away some money from the Israel for Yerushalayim is appeasing. Now with Jews that robs other Jews and take their money, how much punishment they're going to get. But now we see the sensitivity of HaKadosh Baruch Hu. Hashem is sensitive. Now the Gemara says, if Goyim knew what was the Hamikdash and what the Hamikdash would serve them, they would never destroy the Hamikdash. Not only that, they would make a guard around the Hamikdash. Don't let anybody to touch the Hamikdash. Keep going. Now here, we want to get that money from the Hal Israel. Hashem says, I have to be sensitive. I have to have sense. There is something is called Yetzer Hara, makes it hard for them to depart from their money. The Moshe Rabbeinu taught to them with the pious appeasing. Now, Hashem said, what's the connection between the beginning of the parasha and last week parasha at the end? Again, we see this concept of sensitivity of the HaKadosh Baruch Hu. Because the apostle says, when Moshe Rabbeinu brought the Korbanot for Matan Torah, Israel, and they saw the God of Israel, and then his food was like a work of stone of sapphire. And very interesting. Now, what does Rashi says? What's stone of sapphire? In other words, usually under the foot of a person, by the way, everybody knows what's on the top of our Baruch. On his head, everybody knows there's a crown. And the gem of the crown is Neshama of Hal Israel. Every Neshama of the Hal Israel is a gem of the crown that comes on the Baruch's head. Now imagine the king is missing some gems. The crown worth nothing. That's the cheshivut of every neshama. That's importance of every neshama to become the gem that they have to become. Now, that we know the head of HaKadosh Baruch Hu. Now, I always wondered, what is under his foot? What happens under the foot of Hashem? We know on the top, on the head. What under the foot? What's under the foot? Now, Baruch Hashem, we have a pasuk in Torah. The pasuk in the Torah of Dalet, pasuk Yud, and Shemot says, that's in Parasha, they saw under his foot is like the work of stone of sapphire. Now Rashi says, what's Pshat? Rashi says, unbelievable Rashi. Rashi says, that was in front of him at the time of slavery. It's called Saratan Israel, to remember the anguish, the pain, the trouble situation that the Israel had showed Mishubadim b'Maaseh, because the Israel in Israel, they were slaves to do the work of Lebanon bricks. Now, the Midrash says, why did Pharaoh choose the workshop of bricks? Because that was the hardest job. That would destroy the whole Israel. That would destroy every humanity, any powers. Without breaking the back of a person. Pharaoh chose the worst one. And what does Hashem do? Hashem didn't say, oh, I'm sorry, I feel bad. No! HaKadosh Baruch Hu made a remembrance for himself that he should see it and remember constantly. A lot of times, somebody has a strong tragedy. You say, I'm sorry, and you go home. No! That's not the way to relate to the pain of somebody. Somebody has a pain. You don't say, I'm sorry, I'm going. No. You learn from HaKadosh Baruch Hu. Hashem is a reminder for himself. Sachol Tamid. Rashi says Tamid. To remember constantly the pain that they go through. Oh, it's unbelievable. We know that Mitzrayim is called Kur HaBarzel, the furnace of the iron. Because through that furnace, the iron becomes iron stone you have, you cannot use it. You put in the furnace, becomes iron and you use it. They were here also, Mitzrayim built the Kahal Yisrael to become Kahal Yisrael. And to become Kahal Yisrael, to accept the Torah, to carry the Malchut of Hashem. No, it's unbelievable point understanding on the apostle. If somebody asks, what does Hashem stand? What's the platform that keeps HaKadosh Baruch Hu standing on earth? You know what's that? It's the Isurim of the Hal Israel, the challenges of the Hal Israel, the test of the Hal Israel. The apostle is saying, HaKadosh Baruch Hu is standing. What's the platform that they're standing? Platform is Ibnat Asapir, Meister bricks, those shibud of the Hal Israel. That makes the HaKadosh Baruch Hu stand, because that purifies the Hal Israel, and that presence of Hashem comes through the Hal Israel, and that makes the presence of Hashem. Therefore, Hashem stands on all of the challenges, all of the tragedies that the Hal Israel goes through. That builds up, you understand? Now imagine there's a soldier in Gaza Strip, and they tell you could do something to save him. Give a tzedakah. Take some Yisurim in your life. Take some pain. Save it. Everybody will say, I'm junk. I am ready to do. What? I'm ready to give money. I'm ready to take Yisurim. Who? Life of a Jew. I could do everything. If they ask you, what are you going to do to make the presence of Hashem become a platform for HaKadosh Baruch Hu to stand on that? There's no platform for Hashem to stand. What are we talking about? Person would say, I'm ready to do everything. This is our daily challenges of life. To go through challenges, to go through to go through tests, through the pain that we go through, things that we go through, everything like that. It's not bechinam suffer for nothing. It creates a platform, like the apostle says, it's not a sapir. Therefore, you see the sensitivity we have to Hakadosh. Shem is sensitive toward the pain and everything, and also in the parasha, when he wants to tell Israel to give a gift for Mishkan, he doesn't command them. He says, David Israel, David Israel, talk to the heart of the Israel. He's sensitive with the situation and the matter of other people. That's what we learn from our Shbach. Our mitzvah in Torah that we should imitate Hashem. Now, one of the things to imitate Hashem is that HaKadosh is sensitive, sense for other people, relates to their pain, relates to them. And the way that he talks to them is with full understanding. Like here, when he wants to say that you should depart for your money, HaKadosh knows for Kahal Israel is hard, says Moshe Rabbeinu, you have to tell them in an appeasing way, don't command them.